Hello, in this video I'd like to give you an update on my Charles Schwab brokerage account. This is my stock portfolio, and this video is going to give you an update on the portfolio performance from August 1st through August 5th. The first week in August was a good week, I think. Anytime that I can have a positive ROI, return on investment, anytime I can make money, be in the positive, not the negative, I think that's good, especially since I'm just starting off learning how to invest and how to get good at investing. So as we see, my account gained $14.99, almost $15. One more penny could have got me to $15 this week. Now, I didn't add any more money, but what I did was I bought 3 more shares with the money that I did have in my account. I bought 3 more shares of Google. And so here you see my beginning value of my account. Again, during this period, I didn't add any more money to my brokerage account. I profited or made $14.99, and this is my ending value. Over here we see that during this week, I had a return of 0.71% from my investment accounts here. And I try to take up these small victories, try to encourage myself, try to see that, hey, things aren't going so bad right now in terms of my stocks that I chose, that I picked, that I invested in. And what I mean is, so I had a 0.71% return. The Russell 2000 had a 1.96% return. I didn't beat the Russell 2000, but I did outperform the S&P 500 by a little bit. That was their return. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was actually down. And the NASDAQ had a really good week, I think. I don't know what really good is, honestly, but as it compares to these other indexes and my brokerage account, it was the top earner during the week. But I can say that I at least outperformed two of those indexes. Now, that's the argument, or that's, you hear a lot of people say, just put your money in an index fund by Vanguard or whoever, Fidelity, and just don't worry about it. And absolutely, I'm sure that's very true. I think that's a sound investment strategy for the majority of people out there. But this is my quote unquote fun account, one that I just want to get good at investing, learn how to research stocks, invest in stocks. And so that's why I created this account. Of course, I want to make money too. If I don't outperform the Russell 2000, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones Industrial Average over time, then that's fine. That's probably what the odds are say is going to happen. But I just think it's a nice challenge to see if I can outperform it. But the bottom line is making money. If I can be in the positive, if I can keep this, ideally I want the goal to be 5 to 8%. If it's above 8%, that'd be ecstatic. But that's the realistic goal that I set for myself, to have this brokerage account, the stock portfolio, to return 5 to 8% on average over the years. And anytime I make money by just making my money work for me by investing in stocks, then I'm super happy. So I think it was a good week. Overall, I'm still up since I created this account. Check the other videos on this channel, and you'll see that. My journey from June 8th, essentially, 2022, is when I first opened this account. Didn't start off good, but here lately it's been doing fairly well. Hopefully it can keep increasing. Hopefully I can keep adding money to this account. The goal is to get to $100,000 or more over time. And so I think I'm heading in a good direction. So again, to recap, $2,000.98 is, or $2,098.30, excuse me, is what I started with this week. I didn't add any more money. I profited, or I gained $14.99, and that's my ending value. Had this return on my investments this week, and I outperformed the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So not too bad. I'm confident going forward. Keep getting better. Keep getting more educated about investing. And hopefully by you watching these videos, it might help you out and help you get more knowledgeable about investing as well. All right. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you hadn't already, I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get all the latest videos to show you how to save money, make money, invest money, and live life on your own terms so you can make money work for you and not you working for money.